Going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, appears to be approaching to negative MACD. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we have now reached to positive MACD. We may encounter temporary resistance with the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $2.63. As with the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD and we're seeing slight signs of a converge. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $8.74. My sell target for it is at $9.48, and my stop loss is at $8.55. And on the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $9.82. And that is this range here, and that coincides with the 100-day moving average, this orange line. My sell target is at $8.94, and my stop loss is at $10.19. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 27% chance to climb between 0 to 6% and a 9% chance to climb between 6 to 11.7%. And to the downside, it has a 55% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.8% and a 9% chance to fall between negative 5.8 to negative 11.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.